How to prepare cornmeal porridge by Chef Arden. How to prepare cornmeal porridge. First, you're going to warm your hot water up with your cinnamon leaf. You got your cinnamon leaf. And we're going to put a teaspoon of salt into the boiling water. Yeah, we take out our sea salt, our recommended sea salt that we're going to put into the water. So we're going to add a teaspoon of salt into our water. You're going to also need a clean bowl. You get a clean bowl because we're going to apply the cornmeal in our bowl and add water to the cornmeal and mix in the cornmeal in the water. So grab a clean bowl. So you're going to place your cornmeal into your clean bowl. And after you place your cornmeal into your clean bowl, we're going to add the water to the bowl. Don't get lumpy. This is the method you do. You got to turn in the cornmeal with the water in your bowl. You get all the cornmeal liquefied. You know, you want all your cornmeal to be liquid. You don't want it to be dry in the bowl. Continue turning until all the cornmeal is not lumpy. See? Beautiful. So we have the cinnamon in the water to flavor the water. So we're making the cinnamon boil with the salt. You're also going to turn down your fire because you don't need your fire on high when you're making porridge. Turn it down. When it's time to sweeten your porridge, you have your preference of using white sugar or brown sugar. Today we're going to use the brown sugar. Now we're just going to place the cornmeal with the water that we mix into the pot. After you place the cornmeal into your pot, you're going to continue turning. You have to guide it, continue stirring because you don't want to feel no lumps. And you want to feel the thickness of your cornmeal porridge. You want to feel how thick it's getting. Because cornmeal should be thick, not watery. So we're going to continue. Let's do this process for about 20 minutes until you feel your texture of your cornmeal porridge. And that's starting to look good. Always remember, keep your pot on the water that you put in your pot first. Let that water get hot. And then you add your cornmeal with your water to your pot. So now we have more cornmeal. So we just put the cornmeal into the water. Okay, we just added our coconut milk to the cornmeal porridge. The coconut is going to give it flavor. So you want to mix in all your coconut into your cornmeal. Now it's time to get our spices out. We have our cinnamon, nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, vanilla extract, and brown sugar. We're going to apply it to the cornmeal porridge. We're just going to add the cinnamon leaf. We're going to add the cinnamon stick. You're going to need your grater for an egg. We're going to grate the nutmeg. Yes, as you can see, we just apply the nutmeg to the porridge. You see what's going on there? So we're on the sweetening process right now. You want to mix in your nutmeg. So your nutmeg spice up the porridge, all over. Mix it in. Now we're going to apply the vanilla extract. You could also put rosemary. If you have rosemary, you want to put a teaspoon of rosemary, you can, for the spice. You just want to mix in your vanilla. added the vanilla and the nutmeg. Now we're just gonna add our brown sugar. And we're also gonna add some oatmeal milk to our cornmeal porridge. Yeah, we're gonna add some oats, you know. You could choose to add whatever milk of your preference. Yeah, we're just gonna continue mixing everything now, you know. We're at the final step, final stages. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. This is cornmeal porridge. Yes, and our porridge is finished, so subscribe, like, and share, guys. Cornmeal porridge. You're cooking with Chef Arden. Subscribe, share, and like. You're watching Cooking with Chef Arden, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Cornmeal porridge. Hit that notification button right now. Not tomorrow, right now. Hit the notification button right now. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Arden. This is our cornmeal porridge. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right now. I'm Chef Arden. You're watching Chef Arden's cooking channel, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe now. Right now, not tomorrow, to now. Hit that subscribe button right now.